yummy.
It's good. It's sour.
Okay.
You have to be careful.
Oh, you need to be careful, huh?
Yeah, with the shirt that they got the top.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell us what kind of fruits you have?
Yeah.
Alright, what do you have?
I have strawberry kiwi,
Okay, what else?
cantaloupe, and watermelon.
And what's in that one over there?
Pineapple!
So in this video, Liam will be making some fruit kebabs.
Hi guys, welcome to Liam Hut. Today we're making fruit kebab. See that my kebab I bought at the dollar store right there. And this one I got 60 there. Hi guys, I have cantaloupe, strawberry, and kiwi, watermelon, pineapple. And see that my kebab over there
Oh, where did you get those ones?
at the dollar store.
Oh, you purchased it at the dollar store? Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Because you take one kiwi and then you take cantaloupe. Do you want to put it outside or the inside? But you can put it outside. You
Okay.
have to be careful.
Oh, you need to be careful, huh?
Yeah, with the shirt that is at the top.
Oh, okay. I'll remember that. Ooh.
And some strawberry.
Okay.
We need to look nice. Huh?
Good job.
Yay!
Yeah.
And then we do kiwi.
Mm-hmm.
I need to push it forward there.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do? We're
What?
gonna put the watermelon now.
Oh, okay. And that's how you do it, huh?
Yeah, and we put one there. When it's all done, we
Oh.
need to do the another one with pineapple.
So do you change the fruits around?
Yeah, you want to put it down or up, and you try to put it down.
Okay.
And take the cantaloupe.
Okay.
I tasted one, and I'm gonna put the one. Good.
Tastes really good, huh?
Yeah, and might want to put on the plate. Okay, you're gonna put in the sink.
I'm gonna eat it.
Okay, and we're gonna put, oh, I put pineapple in it, and then cantaloupe. Come on, cantaloupe. Come on. Yes, it worked.
Okay.
And strawberry. Yeah, with the pumpkin. Whoa! Did you see that cricket sound?
Mm-hmm.
It's from the top.
Okay.
And we pick watermelon. That's my favorite food I eat.
You love watermelon?
Yeah, and I mix this one over there.
Yeah.
This one is water. That's what I do in that video.
Oh, you did a video with infused water, huh?
Yeah, remember?
Okay, so we need to tell them to make sure they check.
Yeah, the link about for infused water.
Good job.
And we do the thick one, and not done yet. And watermelon, the one is that one. Yes,
Okay.
it's that what I need. Watermelon next. Maybe it's kiwi, like there.
Oh, like here?
Yeah, and when we all done, we put it up to seat here. I've done it, and I need to do 2 more.
Okay.
This one, it look good. Is that what I buy the dollar store today? And when I'm sleepy, mommy go in the dollar store and buy seed.
Okay.
And she surprised me.
Yes, she surprised you with it, right?
Yes. What do you want?
What would okay, I like to have pineapple. No, I want cantaloupe.
What color do you want? Blue or purple?
I want blue.
Blue, okay. And what food do you want?
I want
Cantaloupe?
Yeah, I want cantaloupe. Yeah, I want that.
Okay. And what do you want?
I want kiwi.
Kiwi? Yeah.
Let's get some colors in there.
Color colors.
Kiwi is green, so I like kiwi.
Okay, did the big one? Okay,
And I want.
strawberry?
Okay, give me some strawberry then.
Okay. Wait for a moment.
Okay.
Uh,
Is it difficult?
not difficult, you see. I'm gonna put the strawberry on. And I'm gonna put, do you want pineapple?
Oh yes, I would like some pineapple.
I do want some watermelon.
Yeah, that would be good.
Let me taste some and see if it's juicy or not juicy.
Okay.
It is juicy.
It's juicy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Just pretty good, buddy.
Yeah, it's juicy too. Let me put on there. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow, big number 6.
Yeah.
Okay, so did you enjoy making this video?
Wait more. Wait, I need to make some more.
Oh, you want to make 2 more? You want to make 8 in total?
Yeah, and I can put it right
Wow,
here.
this looks so good. See?
Yeah, that way we are another pineapple. We all done, guys. Can I say hi now?
Okay, yes you can.
Hi, I made fruit kiva. Let's taste some now.
Okay.
Yummy in my tummy. Try sip one.
Okay, thank you. Yummy. So good, huh?
It's good. It's sour.
Okay.
Try some.
I'll try it. Yeah, I will try some. Wow. Okay.
It's a little sour.
It's a little sour?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you eat the kiwi?
You eat the kiwi.
I don't like kiwis. I doesn't like it. I like cantaloupe.
Okay, put it on the plate then.
Try to eat it
I'll
healthy.
eat it. Okay. Okay, I'll eat it then. Thank you.
Let's put the cantaloupe. Oh. It's a little sweet.
Yeah.